Welcome back, children. So today I am here to teach you a unit under geography, lands and ocean. So lands na enadhu nilam and ocean na kadal. So nilatha pathiyum kadala pathiyum indha video la nama padikka porom. The earth is covered by water which occupies 71% and land that occupies 29% of the earth's surface. The earth's surface has lofty mountains, deep valleys, so it is not even. So என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா earthல பாத்தீங்கன்னா 71% வந்து water தான். So that's the reason they are calling it as blue planet and 29% consists of land. So நிலம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா 29% and water பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு 71% இருக்கு. And earth உடைய surface வந்து ஈவனா இருக்காதுன்னா it is not even because of lofty mountains. Mountains இருக்கு, plateaus, plains இந்த மாதிரி different land forms னால இருக்கு. So, in an upcoming slide, I will teach you what are all the classification of landforms. Classification of landforms. Landforms are classified as first order landforms, second order landforms and third order landforms. So, under first order landforms, it comes as continents and oceans. So, என்னென்ன first order landform ல வரும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா continents and oceans. And in second order landforms, mountains, plateaus and plains. இது மூணுமே second order landform ல வரும். And under third order landforms they are valleys, beaches and sand dunes. Many of you people don't know what is a valley, what is sand dunes and everything. So அதெல்லாம் பத்தி detailed we are going to learn in this lesson. First order landforms. Continents and oceans are grouped as first order landforms. So first order landforms பாத்தீங்கன்னா we will learn about continents and oceans. The vast land masses on earth is called as continent and huge water bodies are called as oceans. So earth la irukra vast land masses தான் they are saying as continents and huge water bodies oceans and sonna kadal nu sonna. So huge water bodies are called as oceans. So totally there are 7 continents in our world. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. So in this Asia is the largest continent and Australia will be the smallest continent. And இத இப்ப இருக்க oceans பாத்தீங்கன்னா there are totally 5 oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. And oceans la பாத்தீங்கன்னா Pacific Ocean will be the largest and Arctic Ocean will be the smallest of all oceans. Second order landforms. Mountains, plateaus and plains are grouped under second order landforms. So second order landforms என்னென்ன வரும்? Mountains, plateaus and plains. About mountain. A landform that rises 600 meters above its surrounding and has steep slopes is called as a mountain. So அதோட surrounding surface இருந்து 600 meters above rise ஆகி steep ஆன slopes ஓட இருக்கிறது தான் they call as mountains. Mountains may be found in isolation or groups. So isolation na தனியாவும் இருக்கலாம் or groups of mountains இருக்கும். So continuous ranges are mountains and they call it as mountain ranges. So the Himalayas of Asia, the Rocky Mountains of North America are examples of these mountains. Plateaus. Plateaus are the elevated portion of the earth that have flat surfaces bounded by steep slopes. So, elevated portion of the earth that have flat on a surface and it is bounded by steep slopes. It is an area of high level ground, they will say like that. So, Tibetan plateau is considered to be the highest plateau of the world. Tibetan plateau is the world's highest plateau, they will say. And the flat top part of the plateau is called as tableland. But the plateau, the top is flat and the top is that they will say as tableland. The Chota Nagpur plateau is mineral rich plateau in India. India le mineral rich plateau irukadhu enadhu pathina Chota Nagpur plateau. Plains are flat and relatively low lying lands. So flat and the lands they will call as plains. Flat na it will be used for agriculture purpose those lands. Most of the plains are formed by rivers due to its tributaries and distributaries. Idala plains form achu. Indo-Gangetic plain is considered to be the highest plain in the world. So world level la pathina Indo-Gangetic plain is considered to be the highest plains. Most of the plains are used only for agriculture plateaus and plains erode ஆகி or depositional activitiesனால form ஆகுறது தான் third order landforms. Valleys, beaches and sand dunes are grouped under third order landforms. So valleys னா என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரெண்டு hill or ரெண்டு mountainsக்கு நடுவுல river or stream pass ஆகுறது தான் valley. And beaches னா இது கடற்கரையில ஒரு sandy-ஆன shore னா they will say as beaches. And sand dunes னா மணல் மேடு. So if you see sand dunes or desertல வந்து desert or hillல வந்து உங்களுக்கு அந்த மணல் மேடு form ஆகுதுல அதுதான் they will call as sand dunes. Oceans. The water is found in oceans and seas. Oceans are vast expanse of water and seas are water bodies partially or fully enclosed by land. So oceans என்ன பாத்தீங்கன்னா vast expanse of water கடற்கரை and seas னா என்ன பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is a water body partially or fully னா கொஞ்சம் or full land னால enclosed ஆயிருக்குதா seas. There are 5 oceans totally. They are Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern and Arctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean in our world. So it is the largest ocean and it is surrounded by Asia and Australia in the west and North America and South America in the east. Next comes Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest ocean in our world and it is bounded by North America and South America in the west and Europe and Africa in the east. And third largest will be Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean the name எதிலிருந்து வந்துச்சுனா நம்ம subcontinent இந்தியால இருந்து தான் வந்திருக்கு. So Indian Ocean is bounded by Asia in the north, Africa in the west and Australia in the east. And fourth largest will be Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean is surrounded by continent Antarctica. And the last will be the Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the very smallest ocean in our earth and it remains frozen most of the year. So most of பாத்தீங்கன்னா அது வந்து frozen-ஆ தான் இருக்கும்ன்றாங்க. So I have explained you all the 5 oceans now. So I hope you all will have understood landforms as well as oceans. Landforms சொல்லிருக்கோம், oceans சொல்லிருக்கோம். So I hope you all will have understood the lesson lands and oceans. Thank you children.